What's going on, guys? It's your boy SVJ. You already know the vibes, guys. Haven't made a vlog in a while, but we're back, guys. We're literally back. I'm gonna give you some content, some crazy content today. We're going to the water. I just bought a jet ski. Guys, to ride for the summer. You already know the vibes. My boy bought another one. If you saw my TikTok, you should know, but we just bought this last night. Well, not last. Really nice ski. Let's take a look at it. It's a supercharger, Yamaha. It's pretty clean, I ain't gonna lie. It's pretty nice. It's pretty fast too, guys. It goes like 80 miles per hour, if I'm not mistaken. I had another ski before that I sold because I was wasting too much money on it. It was really fast. It used to do like 105 miles per hour, but this one is a little bit more downgraded. It's not that upgraded. Should be fine for the. I shouldn't waste that much money with it. So let's see the vibes. Today, guys, you already know we're gonna have fun. I brought my GoPro, not my GoPro, my Insta360, so we could get some shots in the water. And I'm gonna race my boy today. He wants to race me on his Sea-Doo, and I'm finna race him. I'm finna gap him too. I tell him, yo, I'm gonna give you the gap, bro. Don't get mad at me when I give you the gap, but I'm gonna give him the gap, guys. I'm gonna give him the gap ski, you feel me? He's gonna be mad, but what can we do about it? I tell him Yamaha all day faster than Sea-Doo. Like, there's no Sea-Doo faster than a Yamaha. Never seen that in my life. From factory, maybe they a little faster. But once you do like a little work to this Yamaha machines, bro, like you will fucking fly. You will fucking fly. Like, I'm telling y'all from experience, I had 105 miles per hour jet ski. My shit used to fly, bro. Like, I'm talking about fly. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get back into the skis, because my boy kept telling me, yo, let's buy a ski, let's go ride. And I'm like, you know what? Fuck it. We made a lot of fucking money this month. And we still in January. It still hasn't fucking ended. Like, we literally like January 24 right now. It's about to end next week. And we already made a shit ton of money of trading. We got 2 payouts already. It's been great, guys. It's been great. Like, it's been great. This year is going well. Markets are moving nice, guys. What can I tell y'all, man? We're going crazy this year. I ain't gonna lie. We're going really crazy. And all my members on my Discord are fucking eating. They all passing accounts. They all getting payouts. Like, I can't be more happy than this, guys. Like, we're literally going crazy right now. Crazy win streak. We haven't lost in 2 weeks. Not one day we haven't lost. So, you know, like, it's been a crazy week, guys. But you already know. I'll catch y'all now in a little bit once I pull up to my boy's house right now. I'm about to pull up to his house. And y'all go see his ski. I'm gonna show y'all his ski. It looks nice too. His ski is really nice. But I'm still finna give him the gap. You already know. Okay, guys. I just pulled up to my boy's crib right now. I know the vibes. Look at the little ski right there, boys. My boy right here getting ready already. Boy with the high country, you know the vibes. Big Buford, you getting the gap ski today or what? You ready for the gap? Guys, look at his ski right here. This is the ski that's gonna get the gap today. I'm gonna gap him like 3-4 skis, guys. So be ready for the video. It's gonna be there. If he gaps me, I'm gonna shut the fuck up for the rest of the year. If I gap him, he gotta shut the fuck up for the rest of the year, right? Right? You're not gonna talk shit, right? He said he gonna gap me, guys. What y'all think? Drop it below the comments right now. See who's gonna win the race.
Yo, if you guys don't see a race after this, that means he lost.
No. I'm gonna still post it, guys. I'm gonna still post it. I don't give a fuck. I'm gonna post it. But what y'all think about his ski? It's nice, right? He got speakers. He's more like a chill vibe ski. Mine is more like a racing ski. So, yeah, I know the vibes. He got a Cadillac in the water. I got like a fucking SVJ in the fucking water. Nah, I'm just playing, guys. But this nigga's ski is nice. It's brand new. He just bought it yesterday. We both bought our shit yesterday. We cashed them out, guys. And we're going to go ride them today. Test them out. And see what's up. If they don't sink. You think they're going to sink, Buford? Maybe. We just catch them out. We didn't even try them. We didn't even ride them or nothing. We're gonna see what's up today, guys. Though, yeah, I already know. I catch y'all now in a little bit. Guys, we're here at the gas station. Y'all know the vibes. We got the toys. My boy playing the music right now. My boy pulled up with a bow. Another jet ski pulled up. Yo, Brandon, say what's up to the vlog.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
What they do, nigga? Big beautiful with it. Another vibe. They're pretty loud, guys. Yeah, you put everything in there already? Guys, we already made it to the water. Y'all know the vibes. We out here. Check it out. Here on my ski already. My boy Brandon over there taking his ski out. The other one's pulled out because we were getting checked by the Coast Guard. And I got verified, so I'm a verified gentleman. Y'all already know. What I was gonna say, we're gonna pull out now to my other boys right now. And y'all know the vibes, ski. Y'all know the vibes. We lit with it. Brandon, they right here. I'm gonna be right here. Hurry up. Y'all already know, man. Look at this. Look at my ski, guys. Beautiful. Got the GoPro, the 360 with me. Finna ride today, man. It's finna be a fun vlog, guys. So stick to the video. Hope you guys like it. Hope you guys get into 10 with it, man. We outside with it. Y'all know the vibes. And I'm gonna show you how fast this ski runs, man, today. Shit goes like 75, 80 miles per hour. Let's see. I got 2 races today. I got my boy with the Sea-Doo, and I just got Brandon that wanna race me too. So we got 2 races. I already know. Let's see who wins, guys. They don't want to bet money on it. I wanted to bet at least $50 so I could put it on gas for this, but they don't want to bet shit on it. But let's see. Let's see what the vibes. Y'all know. Guys, we're here with the boys. Everybody ready to ride. Y'all know the vibes. We lit it. Check it out. My boy Brandon pulling up. My other boy Brandon, Randy. And then we got my other boy in the boat right there, guys. We're gonna start riding now. Y'all know the vibes. Let's get ready, man. Yo, say what's up to the vlog, man.
We outside.
We outside or what? Yo, y'all ready to get the gap? Y'all ready to get the gap? You ready? Y'all ready to get the gap? You get in the gap, okay? Get ready. Alright, that shit nice, dog. That shit looks nice as fuck, that little boat, bro. Yes, sir, ski. Yes, sir, ski. Get back. Yo, right next to me, right next to me. Come on. Hey guys, we just got to a little island here with the boys. This is like where everybody meets up at, where everybody drinks, everybody just chill, everybody just have fun. And there's a food truck, well, a food boat out there where we eat sometimes. I already ate, but those are my people. Like, I know them for a while, and they're cool as fuck. Y'all gonna see now. Let's get it. All right, boys, we just got to a little island here. We parked out the skis, y'all know the vibes. I raced this guy. It was a pretty close race, I ain't gonna lie. My shit is kind of stuck. It doesn't really have nothing. I thought it had more. His shit is stuck. Hey man, I ain't gonna lie, Randy, I gotta give it to you. For a stock jet ski, you have a good jet ski, bro. I ain't gonna lie. And Brandon, good race, bro. Good race, good race. That's what we do out here. I already know. We just have fun, guys. It's nothing crazy, nothing personal, you know. But we out here, guys. Beautiful day in Miami. Look at this. The water is like fucking flat as hell. Perfect for racing. And we just here. This is Miami, guys. We love this shit out here. I already know. Shit is lit out here, man. I already know. We already getting pulled over, guys. We already getting pulled over, guys. The cops got this, guys. I hope they don't call me in. We just vibe here.